Effulgent and pleasant welcome on this lecture, and this is brimful with a lot of information about preposition. Each and everything is mentioned here. After watching this video, you will have no more confusion, okay? But you don't have to miss any moment. So, regarding your exams, it's very important. Whichever the exam is, you will clear each and everything from here. And if you want to be very expedient at grammar skills, then this is important for you as well. And while you're spoken, you will have no fear of making mistakes. You will have no fear of any confidence. You will get confidence from here for spoken, and you will cover your mistakes. After watching this video, 80% of mistakes will be vanished from your life. Okay, so we are going to discuss these following things. First, general introduction about preposition, and then history of the preposition. After that, origin of the preposition, means where it was originated, and then structural types, functional types, and at the end, use of preposition. Let's start, guys. Preposition, general introduction. Two words, pre and position. Pre means before and position means place. Words used before noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to connect them with sentence are called prepositions. But actual case is not like this. They are not always used before nouns. To clear this, let's move to our next slide. History of preposition. Before starting that history, we're going to have questions. Preposition means words used before nouns and pronouns. Is it? Then why? Sometimes we use it after nouns and pronouns. To clarify this, we're going to jump into the annotation of preposition. Let's start. Adpositions. The first term introduced was adpositions. Prepositions and postpositions are together called adpositions. Now, postposition is new term first. Preposition means words used before nouns and pronouns, under, above, on, it, across. And postpositions means the words used after the noun or pronoun to connect them with sentence. 2 years ago, centuries around. So here are adpositions, prepositions, and postpositions. But why we mostly use prepositions? Because 80% of the adpositions are prepositions. That's why. Postpositions are just rare as compared to prepositions. That's why, for their convenience way, vast use, and easily understood, we use just prepositions. Okay, preposition. They originated from two Latin words. Prae means before or in front of, and ponere means to put, to place. These words used before their complements. Complement includes noun, pronoun, and noun phrase. Firstly, they were called preposition, and then preposition. So this was the history of preposition. Detail. Roads, train tracks, or bridges connect places, and prepositions like them work to connect sentences. Now we are going to discuss types of prepositions with examples. Types of prepositions. These are categorized on the basis of construction, means structure, and function. Let's commence one by one. According to structure are 5 types: simple preposition, double preposition, at 3 compound preposition, at 4 participle preposition, and at the 5 is phrase preposition, which is also called prepositional phrase. Simple preposition. consist of only one word. Examples: at, on, in, to, of, for, with, by. Sentences: he was staying at the hotel. He was sitting on the bed. I'm going to school. So clear? Double prepositions. Combination of two simple prepositions is called double preposition. Simply when we combine two simple prepositions, double preposition is formed. Examples: into, unto, within. Into. Combination of in plus to, onto. Combination of on plus to. Now sentences. He jumped into the water. Into is double preposition. The cat climbed onto the roof. Next sentence is reply me within 5 days. Compound preposition formed by adding preposition to a noun, adverb, and adjective. Simply, when we add preposition to any noun, adverb, and adjective, compound preposition is formed. Examples: beside, along, behind, across, before, about, around. He is sitting beside me. Beside is compound preposition. I saw 3 boats along the bank of the river. Here, along is compound preposition. Participle preposition. When participle acts as preposition, it's called participle preposition. Considering, during, regarding, pending, including. Considering the quantity, the price is high. Next sentence: during the war, everything was costly. Let's move toward next slide. Prepositional phrases. Group of words acting as a single preposition is called prepositional phrase. Examples: in spite of, on account of, in the end, for the sake of. Sentence: in spite of many efforts, he failed. Here, in spite is example of prepositional phrase. Following are the functional types of preposition: preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of direction. At 4, preposition of agency, preposition of instrument. At 6, preposition of reason, preposition of origin, preposition of purpose, preposition of price, and appropriate preposition. Preposition of time, used to denote time and clue towards any time. Examples: these are at, on, in, by, and this all. Sentence: and every Monday he came to meet me at 4 o'clock. Now preposition of place, used to denote place. Examples: same, on, at, into, from, inside, outside, in front of, between, behind, and under. Now sentence: he is resting under the tree and having cap on his hat. Now next one. Preposition of direction, express direction or movement of any object. These are also called preposition of movement. Examples: up, down, over, under, along, across, to, into, through, and towards. Now sentence: the cat jumped over the wall. Here is movement. He is passing through the jungle, and here is movement as well. Preposition of agent, they denote an action done by someone to the object. These are also called preposition of agency, means who is doing an action. By, with are examples: this book was written by John, so action was performed by John. This glass was filled with water, so someone filled that water. Preposition of instrument indicate objects which are used to perform actions. Simply we can say that which objects are used to perform actions. And now come towards example. By and with are two examples of these prepositions. By, used for means of transportation. He went to school by bus. He reached there by train. With, is used for the instrument, a tool. She cuts mango with a knife. He cuts grass with a sickle. Preposition of cause. These prepositions show reasons or causes. That's why also called preposition of reason. Examples of, for, which, as, through, due to, because of, on account of. He became doctor because of his efforts. He was awarded for his excellence. Now come to our next. Preposition of origin, also called preposition of source. From is the only example of this preposition. Now we will use from as an origin. He is basically from Lahore. Now we will use it as a source. I got this pen from her, and now it's for source. Next, preposition of purpose. For is commonly used to describe any purpose. So this is the only example of this preposition. Now, sentences. A mobile is basically used for calling. Next sentence. This pencil is used for stylish writing. So these are only used for purpose. Preposition of price, used to indicate price. For and at are generally used for this preposition. Sentences. For is used for an actual amount. I bought this shirt for 400 rupees. And at is used for general amount. We can say that she bought a dress at a high place. So this is used for price. Appropriate prepositions. Some prepositions are used with verb, adverb, or an adjective without any rule and called appropriate prepositions. Examples: afraid of, belong to, fond of, accused of. Now we'll use sentence. She is afraid of snakes. So afraid of is example of appropriate preposition. We have already talked about uses of preposition in our lecture, and now we will furthermore discuss them, only three of the prepositions. Okay, so first is at. Exact time at 3 p.m. Meal time at dinner. Age at the age of 30. On. Days of the week. On Saturday. Dates on December 4th. And now in. Months, seasons and years. In November, in winter, in 1992. Parts of the day. In morning, durations in the same year. Best of luck, guys, and you can ask any question if you have still any confusion. Best of luck.